In a far-off land, there lived a brave dinosaur named Rex Dangervest. He was not just any dinosaur, but a dinosaur who loved to embark on thrilling adventures. One sunny day, Rex found a small, curious stone that sparkled brightly. He picked it up and felt a strange warmth in his hands. Suddenly, the stone began to glow, and a whirlwind swept Rex away. Rex was taken to a mystical land filled with enchanting sights and sounds. He met a friendly lemur named Lem, who helped Rex navigate through the strange new world. Together, they explored lush forests, crossed roaring rivers, and climbed towering mountains. In the heart of the mystical land, they discovered a hidden treasure. It was a magical crystal that could grant one wish to the one who found it. Rex, being the thoughtful dinosaur he was, wished for the well-being of all his friends back home. With the wish granted, Rex and Lem returned to his world. Rex placed the crystal in a safe place, where it could bring happiness to all who looked upon it. From that day on, Rex Dangervest continued to embark on adventures, always remembering the magic he found in the mystical land. And whenever he felt lost or scared, he would look at the crystal and remember the wisdom it taught him. Adventures are worthwhile in themselves, for they teach us who we are. As the sun set, Rex would retreat to his cozy cave and dream of the next adventure he would embark on. And every night, he would fall asleep with a smile, knowing that in his heart, he will always be a Rex-tastic adventurer.